1224 species in genus Eugenia. March 3rd. Eugenia. Eugenia, the myrtle tree, represents March 3rd. This evergreen plant symbolizes growth and endurance. You are steady and reliable, offering strength and support to those in your life. Your wisdom grows over time, much like the sturdy Eugenia. My fascination with Eugenia. The world of plants has always captivated me. Their diversity, resilience, and sheer beauty never cease to amaze. Among the myriad genera that grace our planet, one holds a special place in my heart: Eugenia. This diverse group of flowering plants, belonging to the myrtle family, Myrtaceae, boasts a rich tapestry of species, each with its own unique charm. As a passionate botanist, I, Ferb Vu, have spent countless hours studying the intricacies of Eugenia. From the lush rainforests of South America to the sun-drenched coasts of Africa, I've traversed the globe to observe these plants in their natural habitats. Their adaptability is astounding, thriving in environments ranging from humid lowlands to arid savannas. A diverse genus. What truly sets Eugenia apart is its remarkable diversity. With over 1,000 recognized species, the genus encompasses a vast array of forms, from towering trees to humble shrubs. Some species, like the majestic Eugenia stipitata, can reach heights of over 100 feet, while others, such as the diminutive Eugenia reinwardiana, barely graze my knees. This diversity extends to their leaves, flowers, and fruits. The leaves, typically evergreen, come in a variety of shapes and sizes, from the lanceolate leaves of Eugenia uniflora to the ovate leaves of Eugenia brasiliensis. The flowers, often white or cream-colored, are a sight to behold, their delicate petals forming a stunning contrast against the dark green foliage. But it is the fruits that truly capture the imagination. Ranging in color from vibrant red to deep purple, these fleshy berries are a feast for the senses. Some, like the pitana, Eugenia uniflora, are tart and tangy, while others, such as the Brazilian cherry, Eugenia brasiliensis, are sweet and juicy. See full list at monsteraholic.com. More than just beauty, the appeal of Eugenia extends beyond its aesthetic value. Many species have significant economic and cultural importance. The fruits of several species are edible and are consumed fresh, used in beverages, or processed into jams and jellies. Some species, like the pitana, are also used in traditional medicine. Furthermore, the wood of certain Eugenia species is highly valued for its durability and beauty. It is used in construction, furniture making, and even in the production of musical instruments. Conservation concerns. Despite their resilience, many Eugenia species are facing threats due to habitat loss and overexploitation. As a botanist, I am deeply concerned about the future of these remarkable plants. It is crucial that we take steps to conserve their natural habitats and promote sustainable practices to ensure their survival for generations to come. My journey with Eugenia has been a rewarding one. These plants have taught me about the incredible diversity of life on Earth and the importance of preserving our natural heritage. I hope that my passion for Eugenia will inspire others to appreciate the beauty and value of these remarkable plants.